Hello guys, welcome back to Apps Explorer Hub channel. Now in this video, we are going to talk about how to actually import media into Camtasia. So how do you first import media? And that's what we're going to talk about today. So when you go to my desktop, I have my Camtasia open. So we've done the introduction on the features of all this in the previous video. That is the first video, introduction and features. So you can check that one out and know what individual tabs here are used for. So I have a video or I have a project, a folder on my desktop, and that's known as project. So when I open the folder, I have this over there. Now let me put it in an iconic view. Okay, so now this one is an image, and these two here are some music file. So Camtasia supports all types of media file, MP4, MP3, AVI, or all other type. Actually they support. But in order to get the accurate one, normally try to have it with a music file, an audio file, you must have an MP3. If it's an audio file, you must have an MP4 or etc. So let's say I have an MP4 video and I have an MP3 sound here. Now first of all, I want to import all this. How can I do that? Now there are several ways in order to do that. The first one is by clicking on the import button. So when you click on it, you have import media. So let's click on the import media and I'll go to where my file is on the desktop. Now the project, that's the folder. These are the files that I want to import. So I want to import the first one, so I can actually select the first one. Then you click on import and now you wait. Now it is imported now. Okay, so now let's import. I want to import another one. What can I do? Now the same thing, you can either just right click and go to import, or you click on this plus button here and click on import media. Then it opens and just grabbing the second one, and you can also import this here as well. So you have the two. So one here is video, and this is what? This is sound as well. If I want to import more, what will I do? I click on again, or I right click and go to import. So the next thing that you can do here is just right click on that and go to import media. Then I'll select the last one, then I'll go for import. So I have the media being imported. Now you can see we had it one after one after the other. Now what is the other way to also import media? Now let's try with the other way as well. So I'll just clear this off. So I'll just clear this off here. And now the other way too is now you have the folder. So you have your folder being opened. So that is the folder being opened here. And what can I do is I'm going to now just drag and drop inside the media bin, and that's all. So I'll just copy this, then I'll just drag it here. As soon as it gets to the additional sign, just release your hand, and that is all. The same thing, you can just drag, then you can just drop it, and you can just drag and drop it. Okay, so that's what you can actually use to just drag and drop to as well. Now, what is the next one so that I can actually use it? If you want to just insert or select multiple media, what can I do? Now, let's talk about that one too as well. So I'll just clear each off here. Now, the next thing is here is I can just highlight everything here, drag it once, and just release. And I have all these three media as well. So you can just highlight them, drag them as well, and just release your hand, and off you go. Or you can also right click on import media by clicking on this, or either right click or click on this button. Then you can just select the whole media at once and click on import. That's the multiple media selected. Then selecting, then you select it, then what import it, and that's all. Now if you want to have it in the list view, just click on that to have the list view, and the video view, the iconic view, you have it in this form. So that is a way to actually import media from your file or from your computer to the Camtasia application. Okay, so then guys, I hope that you can import media yourself. And in the next video, talk about how to actually start with the editing or the preparation of this media as well. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.